Hello students, in the last class I discussed life cycle of Chlamydomonas, Eulothrix and along with that Spirogera. So today I will be starting with the next group in the plant kingdom, that is the Bryophytes. Now the Bryophytes, they are known as amphibians of plant kingdom. They belong to the division is Bryophyta. The term Bryophyta, it was given by the scientist Brown. Now the study of bryophytes, this is known as bryology. Yes, the study of the bryophytes, it is known as bryology, and the father of bryology, is Hedwig. And the father of Indian bryology is Shivram Kashyap. Father of Indian bryology is Shivram Kashyap. So in the bryophytes, first of all, I will be dealing with the journal characters. So journal characters, main features of the bryophytes. तो सबसे पहले यहाँ पर हम फीचर जो डिस्कस करेंगे, दैट इज हैबिटेट. ब्रायोफाइट से पहले जो हमने ग्रुप स्टडी करा है, दैट इज एल्गी. You know that algae can be both aquatic as well as terrestrial, but mainly algae is aquatic. Yes, survive in the aquatic habitat. But when we talk about the bryophytes, now these bryophytes, they are land plants. Yes, they are land plants and they like to flourish. They prefer to grow in damp, humid and shaded habitats. They are land plants, but some of the bryophytes which are primitive, they are aquatic in nature. Yes, few primitive bryophytes, they are aquatic. So I will be writing the name of few bryophytes which are aquatic. So one name you write here, that is Rixia fluitans. Another one, Rixiocarpus. Then Fontinalis. Plant kingdom का ये group है. So the type of nutrition which is present, that is autotrophic. They have the ability to synthesize their own food. They are green, autotrophic. But some of the bryophytes, they are also saprophytic. Yes, saprophytic type of nutrition is also present. So I am writing the name of bryophyte which is showing saprophytic nutrition. Yes. So one example is Boxbaumia. Another one is Cryptothalus. Right? Now, some of the bryophytes, they are also epiphytes. Yes. Some of them, they are epiphytes. So, you know what are the epiphytes? Epiphytes, they are plant which are attached to the body of other plant. Yes. They are the plants which attach to the body of other plant. So they are the bryophytes which are attached to the body of other plant. Now they are dependent upon the other plant for the purpose of attachment only. Yes, they are green, they are autotrophic. दूसरे plant के ऊपर dependent है for the purpose of attachment only, for the purpose of space only. So they are dependent only for the space, only for the attachment. Nutrition अपना खुद provide करेंगे. They are going to show autotrophic nutrition. So such type of the plants which are dependent on the other plants for the purpose of attachment, they are known as space. Parasite. सिर्फ space के लिए dependent है. So I will be citing one example here. The example is Frulenia. Right? Now, after the habitat, after the nutrition, now coming to the plant body. You know that there is presence of two types of plant body. That is haploid and diploid. जो haploid plant body है, that is gametophyte, right? जो diploid plant body है, that is sporophyte. As I have discussed in the previous class also, that gametophytic body results in the formation of gametes. And the sporophytic body, after the meiosis, there is formation of spores. तो ये जो spore है meiosis के बाद बन रहे हैं, so you can simply call them as meiospores. तो meiosis के बाद बनेंगे meiospore. Spores जो बन रहे हैं, they are formed after meiosis, after the reductional division. That's why now in the spore, instead of the two set of chromosome, there is presence of only one set. That is haploid condition is there. इन दोनों में से ब्रायोफाइट्स के अंदर जो डोमिनेंट फेज है, yes, dominant phase in the bryophyte is gametophyte, और जो sporophytic phase है, that is dependent, yes. Yes, the sporophytic phase is dependent on the gametophytic one. Now the another feature is that the true stem root leaves in the bryophytes, they are absent. Yes, true stem root leaves absent. The same condition we have studied in the algae. So such group of plants where the two stem root leaves, they are absent, they are known as non-cormophytes. Now please keep this in mind, कि true stem root leaves, they are absent, but there is presence of stem-like structure. The stem-like structure, it is known as colloid. There is presence of root-like structure. This root-like structure, it is known as rhizoid. There is presence of leaf-like structure, that is phylloid. अब इस कोलॉइड का फंक्शन क्या है? टू प्रोवाइड दी स्ट्रेंथ. द कोलॉइड इज गोइंग टू बी इन्वॉल्व्ड इन प्रोवाइडिंग दी स्ट्रेंथ सो दैट द प्लांट कैन बी इरेक्ट, सो दैट द इरेक्ट हैबिट ऑफ द प्लांट कैन बी देयर. राइजोइड का फंक्शन कैसा है? रूट जैसा ही फंक्शन है, इन्वॉल्व्ड इन द एब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ वाटर. Phalloid is going to perform the function of the leaf that it is photosynthetic. तो ये जो structures हैं, they will perform the function just like of stem, root, leaves, but still they are not known as true organs. Yes, why they are not known as true stem, root and leaves? Now the first condition, the first feature for the true stem, root and leaves is that one, there should be presence of vascular tissue. True stem, root, leaves हम तभी बोलेंगे जब present होगा इनके अंदर vascular tissue, and you know that in the bryophytes the vascular tissue is absent. Vascular tissue is absent, that's why they are known as non-tracheophytes. Secondly, इनको true हम कब बोलेंगे? When these structures they are present over sporophyte. जब ये जो structures हैं ये present है sporophytic body के ऊपर, diploid body के ऊपर, पर यहाँ पर in the case of the bryophytes these structures they are present over gametophyte. They are haploid in nature. So you got this? कब हम word use करेंगे true stem, root and leaves? One, there should be presence of vascular tissue. And second, the structure should be diploid, that is present on the sporophytic body. So one important feature which I have discussed here, that in the bryophytes, the vascular tissue, that is xylem and phloem, both are absent. That's why you will call them as non-tracheophytes or atracheophytes. So let's discuss now reproduction. Reproduction के अंदर the first category is vegetative reproduction. Vegetative reproduction can occur through several methods. One, it is through fragmentation. Second, there can be formation of tubers. Then there is formation of bud, adventitious branches, and there can be formation of gemmy. Now this is very important. I will be dealing the structure of this in the coming part of the lecture. Now after the vegetative reproduction, now we can see about the asexual reproduction. इससे पहले जो हमने ग्रुप पढ़ा है that is algae, and I have discussed that in the algae the asexual reproduction through the spore formation is very common. Yes, fungi के अंदर, algae के अंदर there is formation of mitospores during the asexual reproduction, but here you now please keep in the mind that asexual reproduction through the mitospores in the bryophyte, pteridophyte, gymnosperms, angiosperm is totally absent. तो कौन कौन से ग्रुप्स के अंदर माइटोस्पोर नहीं बनेगा? ब्रायोफाइट, टेरिडो, gymnosperms and angiosperms. The spore formation through the mitosis in the asexual reproduction is totally absent. Now coming to the sexual one, The sexual reproduction which is present, that is the most advanced type. So you know the most advanced type of the sexual reproduction, that is oogamous one. Oogamous reproduction present है, and there is presence of multicellular and jacketed sex organs. Multicellular and jacketed male as well as female sex organs. तो इससे पहले हमने एल्गी के अंदर पढ़ा there is presence of unicellular non-jacketed sex organs, but only one exception is there in the algae जहां पर multicellular और jacketed sex organ है, that is cara, right? Now the male sex organ, it is known as antheridium. Male sex organ is antheridium. The female sex organ, this is archegonium. Yes, archegonium, archegonia. So ये जो female sex organ है, that is archegonia. For the first time, it is formed in the bryophytes. तो ये जो सेक्स ऑर्गन है सबसे पहली बार बनी है ब्रायोफाइट्स के अंदर. दैट्स व्हाई द ब्रायोफाइट्स दे आर नोन एज फर्स्ट archegoniates, right?